Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Do you know the secret of speaking English fluently? It is not grammar. It is not big vocabulary. The secret is thinking in English. Yes, if you start thinking in English, speaking becomes easy. So today I will share with you simple tips to train your brain to think in English. Why think in English? When we speak, we usually think in our mother tongue, then translate into English, and then talk. This takes time and creates mistakes. For example, if you want to say, I am hungry, in Telugu you may first think, Naku akaliga undi, then translate, it takes time. But if you directly think, I am hungry, it is faster. So thinking in English saves time and builds fluency. Start with daily life first. Start with small sentences about your daily life. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I am waking up. When you eat, say, I am eating rice. When you go out, say, I am walking to the bus stop. These are small, simple sentences. Practice them in your mind every day. Slowly, your brain will get used to English. Talk to yourself. You don't need anyone else to practice. You can talk to yourself in English. For example, while cooking, say, I am cutting vegetables. While cleaning, say, I am cleaning the table. This self-talk is very powerful. Think in questions. Next step, ask yourself questions in English. For example, what will I eat for dinner? Where is my phone? Should I go outside now? When you start asking questions in English, your brain starts answering in English. This is real thinking practice. Use easy words. Don't wait to learn big, difficult words. Start with simple English. For example, instead of I am exhausted, just say I am very tired. Simple English is easy to think and easy to speak. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from difficult words. Change environment. Surround yourself with English. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Read easy English books. When you see or hear English, try to repeat the words in your mind. For example, if you see a bottle, think, this is a bottle. If you see the sky, think the sky is blue. Slowly, your brain will connect everything with English. Conclusion. So friends, start today. Use English for daily activities. Talk to yourself. Ask questions in English. Use simple words. Surround yourself with English. If you practice daily, within a few weeks, you will notice the change. You will no longer translate. You will think directly in English. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips.